Muun Wallet review. In today's video, we're going to take an in-depth look at Muun Wallet, a crypto wallet that promises to offer top-notch security and ease of use. So let's dive right in. Muun Wallet or Muun Wallet is a non-custodial Bitcoin and Lightning Network wallet that focuses on privacy, security, and simplicity with a user-friendly interface and innovative features. It's been gaining popularity among crypto enthusiasts. Some of Muun's wallet's standout features include multi-sig security, which enhances your wallet's protection by requiring multiple keys to authorize transaction. Easy backup through a single recovery phrase, ensuring you can restore your wallet if needed. Support for Bitcoin and the Lightning Network, allowing you to make faster, cheaper transactions. Now, let's go over the pros of Muun Wallet or Muun Wallet. First, the multi-sig feature makes it highly secure and ideal for protecting your phones. The wallet is simple to use even for beginners, making it great for new users in the crypto space. It offers excellent privacy feature and is non-custodial, meaning you are in full control of your private keys. But like any product, there are some downsides to Muun Wallet as well. You have limited cryptocurrency support. Currently, Muun Wallet only supports Bitcoin and Lightning Network. So if you need a wallet that supports multiple altcoins, this might not be the one for you. If you're an advanced user looking for a wallet with more customizable settings, you might find Muun's option a bit too basic. So should you use Muun Wallet in 2025? If you're looking for a secure, easy to use wallet for Bitcoin and Lightning Network transaction, then yes, it's perfect for people who prioritize simplicity and security. However, if you need support for other cryptocurrency or advanced features, you might want to explore other options. And that's it for today's review of Muun Wallet.